Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Modric wore an Argentina jersey. Watch closely as I break down the context, the people involved, and the likely intent behind the gesture. I'll describe the moment, show how teammates reacted, and explain why fans read many meanings into a single shirt swap. By the end, you'll understand the social cues, football culture, and why a simple jersey became a headline for both respect and friendly teasing. Let's unpack the context and timing of the exchange so the gesture makes sense in the moment. I'll explain who was nearby, what had just occurred, and why celebrations amplify symbolic actions. Understanding the sequence clarifies whether it was spontaneous or planned. I'll also point out how cameras, commentary, and social feeds shape the narrative quickly. This helps separate playful camaraderie from deliberate statements in football culture. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please subscribe and like for more clear explanations and friendly takes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control into your celebration moments, so you can cue victory anthems hands-free when your team wins. It's compact, sounds great, and makes sharing songs during a post-game party effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll explore possible meanings so you can judge the gesture fairly. I'll outline friendly explanations like mutual respect and shirt exchanges between star players. Then I'll cover why some viewers read deeper motives, including rivalry and fan narratives. You'll get simple cues to decide which interpretation fits best and tips for spotting genuine messages versus playful sportsmanship. This keeps reactions grounded and avoids overblown assumptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.